Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Google Docs as PDF. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one document that you want to share as PDF. You can either scroll down and find it, then tap on it. After opening the document, here you can find the three dot lines at the top right corner. Now tap on it. Then you can see the share and export option right here. Now select it. Then tap on to the send a copy option right here. Now after a few seconds it will show you like this. Now scroll down. Here you can find the option of convert to PDF. Now tap on it. Now it will be turned into the PDF in few seconds. After that, simply go back to your Google Docs app and choose the document once again and send a copy. Now you can share the PDF document on wherever you want to share. And that's it. This is how you can share your Google Docs as PDF. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.